style of the Tianjin Bagua Ziwu Yuanyang Yue. I will demonstrate the opening stance and the single changing axe. And explain the essential requirements of the movements. For the opening stance, keep the body naturally upright. Hold the double axes at your sides with the blades pointing downward. For the opening, slowly raise both axes to the front. Keep the blades facing upward, then step forward with your left foot. As you step, shift your left hip to form the Shitsi Chinchio, lion capturing the ball, stance.